You can earn over $10,000 on your phone by using this free app. But there is a catch. There are some requirements to do this method. So I will give you guys a simple test to check whether you guys qualify to use this method or not. So if you guys pass the following test, then great. You can use this method and start earning thousands of dollars by using this free app on your phone. And if you fail, then I'm sorry, but you might have to check out the other videos on my channel to look for other methods to earn money online. So let's now start with the test. It's actually quite simple. I will give you guys 3 simple questions. Just 3, and then you guys will simply answer with yes or no. So, for the first question, do you have a phone? The second question is, do you have a connection to the internet? And the third and final question is, do you have 5 to 10 minutes a day to use this free app on your phone? Now, if you guys answered no to any of these questions, then I am sorry, but you might have to find another video on my channel to look for other methods to earn money online. But if you answered yes to all 3 of them, then great, you can do this method. Not only can you make over $10,000 on your phone, but you can keep making more money on autopilot again and again. Now you guys can develop a stable income stream to rely on using this method. Now all of this is done on your phone. You could be on your bed listening to music, you could be in a restaurant having dinner, you can do it from any part of your home, or you can do it while you're out on vacation. And I will show you guys a complete and step-by-step tutorial on how to use this method to earn large amounts of money online. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so it's great for beginners. Now, just like almost all the other methods I post on this channel, this method is 100% free. You don't have to pay a deposit or any money at all. Also, this method works worldwide, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN and all that, because this method will work no matter where you are from. In this video, I will give you guys a complete and step-by-step tutorial on how you guys can set up this passive income stream. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of this video, because I will drop some secret tips and tricks that you guys can use with this method today to maybe double or even triple your income online. So the app we will be using for today's method is available for both Android and iOS. Now this app is actually quite popular, and actually it might have built a bad reputation among you guys. But please stick around to the end of this video, because we can make a lot of money from using this app for just less than 5 minutes per day. So the app that we'll be using is called Tick-Tock. Now don't worry, you don't need to show your face in these videos, because I know that some of you might be camera shy. Now this is very simple, and whether you guys have used this app or not, you guys can still do this method. Even if this is your first day using the internet, this method is so very easy that you guys can do it successfully. Now, for those of you who for some reason do not know what Tick-Tock is, Tick-Tock is a short-form video sharing app that allows users to create and share 15-second videos on any topic. Its creator, ByteDance, runs a different version of the app, Douyin, in its home market China. Both versions of Tick-Tock offer a wide selection of sounds and song snippets, along with the option to add special effects and filters. You can also add videos created on your phone. The company promotes the app as a video sharing social network. Now this app is still fresh and new, but it already has the same amount of monthly active users as Instagram. Now that is around a billion active users. So there are a lot of active users on TikTok, and there is a lot of potential here for you guys to earn large amounts of money. Also, while it is still new, it is very easy and simple to get established even as a complete beginner. Sometimes, less than 10 videos is all you need to go super viral and make an absolute killing with a method that I will show you in this video. Now the videos that you will post on this website only needs to be 10 seconds long. So only a few seconds and you guys can start earning thousands of dollars. So right now I will show you guys some examples of some people who are successful on TikTok. And just like me and you, they started off as complete beginners with 0 followers, and now their TikTok account is very successful. But our difference from them is that we know that we can use this video to earn thousands of dollars using TikTok, and that they don't know about this, and they are just leaving this large amount of money on the table because they don't know how to earn it. So make sure to watch to the end of this video so you will be a step ahead of them. So anyway, for the first example of those TikTok creators, we already have this lady over here that posts videos that are less than 10 seconds, and she only has a few videos uploaded compared to others, and she already has millions of views. Now, I actually found this account randomly because there are hundreds or thousands of accounts just like this, that only have a few videos but already have over 1 million views on their account. Now, in these videos here, she's not doing anything impossible. She's just giving us some food advice and life hacks, and she is already getting millions of views. But she did not use the method that I will show you guys, so she is losing a lot of potential income. So anyway, what you guys want to do is first create your TikTok account. So just go ahead and click on this login button right here. Then you'll have a ton of options to use to log in, such as using your email account, your Facebook account, your Google account, your Twitter account, and a bunch of other accounts. But to create a new account, you guys want to head down here and click on this sign up button. Now, you have 3 options to choose from, which is your phone or email, to continue with Facebook, or continue with Google. Now you guys can go ahead and choose whichever method is most convenient to you. But for the sake of this video, I will be using the email option. Now you will be asked to fill in some personal details, so just go ahead and do that real quick. And then you want to hit this next button right here. Then you want to create your unique password and your unique username. And now you have your very own TikTok account that you can use to post your short 10-second videos. Now what you guys can do is film 10-second videos of yourselves about your hobbies. So if you are into fishing, then you can maybe post videos of you getting some massive fish catches. Or if you are into cooking, then you can maybe post some short recipes. Basically, whatever topic that you are interested in, then you guys can make some interesting and informative videos about them so that you can build a following among the people in your niche. But now you might be wondering, how can you earn money? So, right now I will show you this amazing website that you guys can use to earn over $10,000. Wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post more videos on how to make money online on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys learn how to create a stream of online income into your PayPal accounts. I put a lot of effort into these videos to make sure that each and every one of these methods work, so I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. So what you want to do after you install the TikTok app on your mobile device, well, you guys can just head over to your bio, and just like Instagram, you can edit it and post some links. Now what you're going to do is post your affiliate links here and earn a lot of money without selling any products yourself. Now what website will you use to get affiliate links? Well, you guys can get your affiliate links from GearBest. Now you guys can head over to this website real quick by typing this link, gearbest.com. Now this is a website that is pretty much similar to Amazon, where you can buy and sell physical products. So there are a bunch of products here that fall under a lot of categories. So pretty much any niche you choose, you will have some related products here. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and look for this associate program button. Now as you can see here, you have unlimited earning potential. Now the reason we are using this website is because we can earn up to 50% commission, which is way higher than Amazon. So just quickly click on this join now button here and then get your affiliate link, and then you can paste it on your TikTok bio. Then you can make some posts, like if your chosen niche is cooking, then you can show your knife collection, and then you can provide a GearBest link that they can use to buy similar knives, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is build more followers by posting the short 10-second videos and watch your PayPal account get filled in no time. And that is the end of the video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!